Hi guys, just a quick update. Just been 3D printing some more stuff for the Kingdom Death board. I will be posting up what paints I've used and stuff on this. I'm not quite finished them yet. I've still got to do the greenery. The fallen column. There you go, and the board. The board is modular, so you can take all the pieces out, and then these pieces will slot in, so it'll be a fully modular board. So yeah, there we go. Give you a further update soon. Obviously I'm going to do some painting tutorials on what I've done, what colours I've used. I'll drop it. I do like the static board that comes with the game, but I'm a big fan of 3D boards, because if you've got your figures on there, 28mm figures, then just playing on a flat board's a bit meh. So I like to update everything. I haven't quite finished this one. I've just done the top dry brush. I need to add the greenery and bits and pieces to it. There you go. So more updates coming soon. See you soon, guys. Bye.